Ni mucemanio uria urehete atongoria a arutani bururi wothe guku gicwa-ini. Ndereti nene omothe iri mbeca iria mathukuru mamukagira kuma kuri thirikari nene makiuga ti njiganu.
That because of this, so many students were left out in the funding. They were not funded in term 1 and they have equally missed funding in the first tranche of term 2.
Arimu acio marateta ati wagi wa mbeca ni utumite gukorwo na wagi wa indo cia mahuthiro ta mai na thitima.
We have listened to you and I would like to encourage everybody from the president, let us listen to these people. The deputy president, let us listen to these people. Professor Makoa, let us listen to these people. Politicians, let us listen to these people. And we are going to heal our nation with respect to the sector of education.
Arimu ningi ni maugite wiyandikithia wa arutwo kugerera mutaratara wa NEMIS ni wongereire mathina ma mathukuru kwaga kuheo kigina kiiganu.
Let the data that was used to supply books be used to fund schools.
If we have used data for textbooks, then that same data should be used for funding. It's as simple as that. As we clean, going forward, let us be fair to everybody.
Arimu marenda ningi mutaratara wa kuhe arutwo mafuku ucenjio.
We shall bring this issue of tariffs. I know we already give special tariffs to our industry, and most of our electricity sometimes we use it at night, and I think the cost of electricity sometimes is cheaper at night, but we shall engage ourselves.
Mucemanio ucio gatirihwo mwisho-ini wa kiumia giki. Githomo TV, gitagwo muitiriri wa Wangari.